Hello and welcome! Okay, you stay there and behave. Let's draw a big fidget spinner. First of all, the main shape of a fidget spinner. Yeah, I know. I'm not finished yet, Feisty. You just stay put and stop bothering me. Now we thicken the outlines with the thicker black pen. Huh? Oh, come on, Feisty Bear. Why steal my pen? You are such a naughty Feisty pet. Stay. Okay, let's try again. You are such a feisty pet, Karl. You promised to be a good boy. Oh, come on. Really? Okay, so the outline is done. Yes, very funny, Feisty. Okay, let's draw the middle piece of the fidget spinner and the outer circles where the ball bearings are. And the next one. Okay, all three are done. Glad you like it, Feisty Bear. You never guess what I will draw on top of the fidget spinner though. Like this video if you think Feisty won't know. Oh, what is your plan there, Feisty? Oh, you're not going to colour my fidget spinner, are you? Let me take that pen, Karl. Yeah, you moaner. Stay there and be quiet. I wish you'd let me finish this pic. Okay, so Karl the Snarl, who am I drawing? Hey, don't forget to subscribe our channel if you want to see more Feisty Pet videos from us. Okay, so Carly, do you know this little fella I'm drawing? Okay, so I guess he likes Pikachu. Do you like Pikachu? Write in the comments who your favorite Pokemon is. I think Feisty Pets is Pikachu. Okay, only the colouring now and we're almost done with our Pikachu fidget spinner. Last but not least, the background colour blue. Right, so here's the Pikachu fidget spinner. Ta-da! Oh no, poor Pikachu! I don't believe it! What did you do? You naughty Feisty Pet! And now you're stealing my drawing! Okay, so if you want to watch more Naughty Feisty Pets videos, click on one of the videos, or watch a different video from us. Either way, thank you for tuning in and see you soon. Bye!